Yeah, good evening everyone. Good evening. So, yeah, this is the next topic in the TOC, right? So, if you see the last class, normal forms we done. Sorry, in the last class we done the introduction of. Right, in the last class we done introduction to normal forms, right? Actual normal form not started. So let me write the date. Let me write the date today. Today date is I think it's 28. The 28 7 25. Right, in the last class we done the basics which are needed. Now in this class we are going to do normal forms. What exactly normal forms we'll see now. Right, very less questions came in the previous papers, right? But it is better to study one time, right? We'll study once, right? What is the normal form? So we have approximately two normal forms. The first normal form is CNF. Second one is GNF. Two normal form. First one is CNF. Second one is GNF. Right? These are the two things, CNF and GNF. So you may say that what is the CNF? Chomsky normal form. Right? Chomsky normal form. Let me write now. Chomsky normal form. Normal form. So next one is Grayback normal form. Right, so let's see the spelling one time. Grayback normal form. I will check once. First one is Chomsky normal form. Next one is GREIBACH. BACH. Yeah, spelling you can verify. You also can verify once. No one will ask you. That's the reason I didn't tell. Grayback normal form. GREIBACH. Grayback normal form. Right? So there are two normal forms. In TOC, we have two normal forms, Grayback normal form and Chomsky normal form. There are two things are there. What exactly Chomsky will do? What exactly Grayback will do? So we'll see now. In the case of the Chomsky, right? So all the productions who are allowed is in this format. Single variable, let me write now. I will write once again. Yeah. So single variable generating two variables or single terminal. So this is the format. Either in this format, two variable or single terminal. That is called as CNF. See this one. One variable generating two variables or single terminal. In this format. If you want, I will write little more better way. So either in this format, every production or in this format. V goes to single terminal. So like this. One variable generating two variables or one variable generating single terminal. That is called Chomsky normal form. What is the Grayback normal form is? Let me check once. Grayback normal form is going to be single variable generating. Try to understand. Terminal followed by variables. Terminal followed by variables. Try to understand. Terminal followed by variables. Right? Terminal followed by variables. So that is the Grayback normal form. So I'm repeating once again. In TOC, we have two types of normal forms. CNF, GNF. Right? Those people who came little late, I'm repeating once again. In the last class, right? I'm repeating once again. In the last class, we discussed basics which are needed for normal forms. Which are needed for normal forms basics, we are already done. Now today we are starting 28/7/25. Today we are starting, right? So normal forms actual topic. Two types of normal form, CNF, GNF. CNF means Chomsky normal form. GNF means Grayback normal form. In the Chomsky normal form, all the productions are in this format. Either single variable deriving two variables or single variable generating terminal. That is called CNF. In the Grayback normal form, single variable generating followed by one terminal followed by set of variables. One terminal followed by set of variables. We'll see actual details right further. Let me see the further story. One example I will give. Let's take the CNF once. Let's take the CNF. CNF first example. We are talking about CNF first, right? Example 1. CNF example 1. Yeah, careful everyone. CNF example 1. So I'm writing the first example. Let me write. Let me copy the first problem of CNF. So the first problem of CNF is going to be, right? Let me try this. So S goes to single variable generating BAAB. S goes to ABBA. Sorry, ABBA or BAAB. That's okay. A goes to BAA or A goes to BAA or AS or A. Next one, B goes to A double B, BS or B. So this is the grammar. To this grammar. Remember, given grammar is CFG. We are converting into CNF. Right? Convert into CNF. Actual problem is convert into CNF. Given CFG grammar, convert into CNF. That is the thing what we have to do. So let's see this. See the discussion one time. Right? Everyone concentrate. So let me change the color. Yeah, I'm changing to white color. See everyone. So what is the meaning of CNF? Exact right hand side, exactly two variable or single terminal. Exactly two variable or single terminal. If you see here, one terminal, one variable. So not CNF format. This is also not CNF format. This is also not CNF format. This is also not CNF format. This is CNF formats, right? Either two variable or single terminal. Yes, this is also not. This is also not. But this is. So two people already in the CNF format. Other people not in the CNF format, we have to convert. See how I am converting. Everyone observe. See how I am converting. S goes to. See, two variables required, but one variable, one terminal. So what you do is, I'm writing now. I'm writing here D. D followed by capital A. Right? Or E followed by capital B. First of all, what is the D? D means small e, small b. What is the meaning of E, small a? E means small a. See, until now, right? I think first two people are completed. CNF format I want. S goes to DA or EB. D means B, right? E means A. I think fine. Right? Fine. Now let's go to A variable. A goes to, everyone understand? A goes to, I think B means what? B means I can take D. B means I can take D followed by two capital A's. Let's write this as F. First of all, what is the meaning of F? F means two capital A's. Next one, AS. A means what? I think E. ES you can write. Or A already there, so no problem. Now let's go to B also. B goes to, let me write now. A means, I think what? A means E. E followed by G. So what is the meaning of B? D. D followed by S. R B. First of all, what is G? G followed by two B's. I think if you observe clearly, everyone in the form of a CNF. See this one? For the B purpose, I done this. B purpose, I done this. A purpose, I done this. Check anyone having small doubt also. S purpose, I done this. This is the way. How to convert the CFG to CNF. CFG to CNF is our goal. I think we done the first problem. Little doubt also there, you can ask me. CFG to CNF. CFG to CNF. It is the first problem. Little doubt also there, please let me know. Ready, sir? I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help. Check one time, everyone. How to convert CNF into, convert CFG into CNF? What is CFG? You have to make sure on the right hand side, either two variable or single terminal. Two variable or single terminal. That is the goal. Let me know if anyone having any objection. Ready, sir? I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help. Yeah, I hope you are fine. So let's move to next problem. You may say that, sir, what is the use of this? Right? Remember, CFG means right hand side anything. CFG, right hand side anything. But when you say CNF, right hand side some conditions. Whenever some conditions are there, it will be useful. How? You know this kind of format. Then automatically you can find out to generate a particular string, right? How many productions are needed if the given grammar is in the CNF format. I will give one simple example. Simple example which will give clarity. See this. Some people are asking, what is the advantage with the CNF? Can you see this one? S goes to AB, A goes to A, B goes to B. S goes to A goes to A, B goes to B. This is the grammar. From this grammar, I want to generate string AB. Assume that string I want to generate is AB. This is my code. From the given grammar, I want to generate this string. So how to do this, right? So let's see. S goes to AB. Okay. Now A replaced by A. Okay. Next B replaced by B. So AB. So to generate AB, I am using this production. Remember, to generate two length string, I am using three productions. Length of the string is 2. To generate 2 length string, we are using 3 production. So answer is 2 into 2. Right? This is the 2 length string. Minus 1. Totally 3 productions we are using. Right? If the grammar is in the CNF format, the number of productions you have to use to generate n length string is 2n minus 1. In the place of 2, n is there. Then answer is 2n minus 1 productions. These many productions you have to use. To generate n length string, we have to use 2n minus 1 productions. 2n minus 1 productions. 2 into 2 is 4 minus 1. So 3 productions needed. If you want, you can verify. If the grammar is in the CFG, I cannot give guarantee. If the grammar is in the CFG, I cannot give guarantee. If the grammar is in the CNF, I can give guarantee. 2n minus 1 productions you have to use. From the given CNF grammar to generate n length string, 2n minus 1 productions you have to use. That is the purpose of CNF or GNF. That is the purpose. It will give clarity. It will give clarity how many productions you have to use. It will give clarity. So let's go for one more problem. Right? I'm trying to give one more problem for CNF. CNF purpose, I am giving one more problem. One problem I done, do one more problem. S goes to let me write this one. S goes to BA. S goes to BA. S goes to BA or AB. S goes to BA or AB. Right? S goes to BA or AB. Right? Let's see. Right? How to convert this one into. I think is it same problem like previous? Let's check. BA AB. Yeah. Sorry for this. Yeah. I have to give another problem. I am giving. Yeah, I have to give another problem I am giving. I think it is like previous problem only. Then nothing changed. Sorry for this. Let me give another problem. I'm giving another problem. Don't worry. I'm giving another problem. Don't worry. S goes to. Yeah. S goes to AAD. S goes to AAD. A goes to AB. A goes to AB or BBB. B goes to B. D goes to D. S goes to AAD. A goes to AB or BBB. B goes to B. D goes to D. Right? This is so you have to convert into CNF. Some people are asking what is the way. Right? See, there is one standard procedure is there. If you want to convert the given grammar into CNF, standard procedure. First step. Null productions are there, eliminate. First step means simplify. How to simplify the grammar? Eliminate null productions. Null productions eliminate. So no null productions, there is no problem. Second step, unit productions eliminate. Single variable to single variable. Unit productions also eliminate. Means simplify the CFG first. If you want to find out to CNF, if you want to convert into CNF, first simplify. One null production eliminate, if at all there. Unit productions also eliminate, if at all there. Third one, useless symbol elimination, which contain 2 steps. Useless symbol elimination, which contain 2 steps. First step, right? The thing which is not generating any string, delete. The string, remember, the production which is not generating any string, delete. So B generating some string, D also generating some string. So if you use A and B, I think they are generating. So I think A also, B also, D also. I think everything fine. So first step is over. Second step is not reachable, delete. I think all are reachable. So 3 steps are over, no simplification. Remember, if you want to convert the CFG into CNF, first simplify. Simplify first. You want to convert the CFG into CNF? First simplify. I done. See the second step. It is the first step. First to simplify. Okay. I am writing here. First to simplify. So, okay, I done. Second step is now convert. Now try to convert. I am converting. Second step is now try to convert. Right? See how I am converting. Everyone listen how I am converting. Right? See this. See correctly? S goes to first one is my target. S goes to AAD. S goes to AAD. Let me try now. S goes to be careful everyone. S goes to many ways are there. One way I am writing. Right? Many ways are available. Just I am writing one way. S goes to, right? S goes to, see everyone. S goes to, many ways are there. I am writing. S goes to EF. Right? Next one. E goes to A. E goes to A. E goes to A. F goes to AD. F goes to AD. So I think the first one is completed. S goes to EF. E goes to A. Right? F goes to AD. Okay, first production is over. Can you see the second one? S goes to AB. I think A is what? E. EB you can write. S goes to EB. S goes to EB. R, one more. So B followed by double B. I think B means capital B already there. Right? Followed by G. Right? What is the G? G goes to double B. So I think second production also over. Third one, fourth one same. B goes to B. Fourth one, D goes to D. That's it. There may be many ways. One way I written. Check once. First step is simplify. Second step is normal. Right? Everywhere on the right hand side, two variable or single terminal. Everywhere on the right hand side, two variable or single terminal. Advantage. If the grammar is in the CNF, advantage is if you want to generate n length string, 2n-1 productions you have to use. To generate n length string, 2n-1 productions you have to use. If you want, you can, using this grammar also you can check. Using this grammar also you can verify. If you want to generate n length string, 2n-1 productions you have to use. If the grammar is in the CNF format. You have to use these many things. Let me know any objection. Sir, I have this objection. You ask me, I will help you. If you have any objection, you ask me, I will help you. Ready, sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help. Check everyone. Everyone check. Everyone I have to verify. Sir, I have this problem. You ask me, I will help. So those people who are having little doubt also. Sir, I have small doubt, sir. Ready, sir, I have small doubt. You can see this. From this place onwards, it is started. Normal forms are two types, CNF, GNF. Normal forms are two types, CNF, GNF. What is the CNF? Chomsky normal form. What is the GNF? Grayback normal form. So what is the meaning of Chomsky normal form? Right hand side of the production, either two variable or single terminal. What is the Grayback normal form? Right hand side of the production, single terminal followed by set of variables. Right, now take the first example, CNF. Convert the given CFG grammar into CNF. So I done. Every time make sure right hand side two variable or single terminal. Right hand side two variable or single terminal. Everywhere you take care. There may be many ways to write. Right, and one more. What is the advantage? N length string if you want to generate, 2 length string if you want to generate from the CNF. Right, 2 into 2 minus 1. 3 productions you have to use. If at all n length string I want to generate, if the grammar is in the CNF format, 2n-1 productions you have to use. One more example I want to give, I give. There's one more example I want to give, I give. Now I think you got some idea. Let's go to next example. Let me try next example. Everyone try. Let me try the next example. It will give more clarity. It will give more clarity. So now I enter into GNF. Now I enter into GNF. Let's see. GNF. Now I enter into GNF. See the GNF means what? Right hand side single terminal followed by set of variables. That is the goal. So I will give one example. S goes to ASB, I think, or AB. S goes to ASB or AB. S goes to ASB or AB. That is the grammar. You want to convert into GNF. Can you see this one? How I am converting into GNF? S goes to right hand side. Remember, single terminal followed by set of variables. Single terminal followed by set of variables. If you see the first production, single terminal followed by set of variables. Followed by set of variables. I think it is a variable, no problem. It should also be variable. So I will write B. What is the B? B goes to some terminal. One more thing. A goes, right? S goes to A, right? So capital B. Over. So single terminal followed by set of variables. Single terminal followed by set of variables. Right? This is the one problem. This is the example one. For GNF, it is the example one. For GNF, it is the example one. Yeah. Let me know any objection. Single terminal followed by set of variables. Single terminal followed by set of variables. If variables are not there, no problem. See, no variables are there. It's okay. Single terminal followed by set of variables. If variables are not there, no problem. Example 1 item. Let's go for example 2. Let's go for example 2. I done one example. Let's do one more example. You will get the clarity. Some people are asking, what about this one, sir? Sir, S goes to epsilon. Remember everyone. It is the second example. It is a very, very interesting one. S goes to epsilon. This one, if you want to convert into GNF, remember, first step, as usual. GNF or CNF. GNF or CNF, first step. Simplify. First to simplify. If you want to find out, right, either CNF or GNF, first simplify. Simplify means null production elimination. Remember? So here null production, if you remove, nothing there. After simplify, pi will come. So simplification is over when you convert into GNF. Now convert into GNF. Answer is pi. Nothing. I cannot do anything because I don't have anything. Right? If you want to CNF, CNF also same. After simplification is over. Right? CNF also same, pi. Because null production, if you eliminate in the grammar, nothing is there. Null production, if you eliminate in the grammar, nothing is there. Null production, if you eliminate. Simplification means null production gone. In the grammar, nothing left out. For nothing, GNF also same, CNF also same. Right? Let me see one more example. Example 3. Everyone understand example 3 also. S goes to A. Right? To this, I have to convert into CNF also, GNF also. First step, simplify. First to simplify. Okay, after simplification, if you observe clearly, if you simplify, no effect. Same thing will come. S goes to A. Now, you have to convert into GNF also, CNF also. So, what is the CNF answer? Right hand side single variable or, right hand side single terminal or two variable. I think single terminal, no problem. CNF is that itself. What is the GNF? Right hand side is single terminal followed by set of variables. Not there, no problem. I think same answer. So for both of them, common thing is first to simplify. Next one is try for the actual conditions. CNF saying that right side two variable or single terminal. Single terminal, no problem. GNF is saying that right hand side single terminal followed by set of variables. No variable, no problem. See, no variable, no problem. It is a GNF. Right? It is a GNF. Fine. I hope I given the CNF also few problems. GNF also I given few problems. Check one time. Right? Fine. Normal forms I started. Right? I given few examples. In the next class, we'll see some more problems. In the next class, we'll see some more problems. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. In tomorrow's class, we'll see some more problems. Thanks everyone. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much. Yeah, bye.